guys have probably been wondering why I haven't been uploading recently. It's because I'm not sure what I'm going to upload about, and I'm not sure if this YouTube channel should go on. So, we're on Roblox yet again. Looks like they added a stupid update. And I've been playing Robile. So I decided, let's do a Robile video. Okay, so, guys, I'm going to do a test. Whoever answers this first is going to get a shout out in my next video. But whose theme is this and what video game is it from? Let's see if anybody can answer that. And I bet it's gonna be Spencer. But here we go. Research lab? Nah, we need cell block. No, where's the virus thing? Yeah, there it is. I'm having allergies, man. Okay. Let's just start with the less worst one. Let's turn our volume up a little. Forgot how creepy the music was in here. Okay. New human. Rope human. Wait, I heard a door open. Nothing. Just gonna... Robinson. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Got him. Oh no, that's bad. Hey, are you okay? Okay? I have the feeling he's not okay. I'll be right back, Robinson. Don't do anything. Let's get some more harmful ones. Necromilia. Is that actually a real one? I feel like it's a real one. At least they don't have diphtheria. Stay still, Robinson. Got him again. Nothing seems to be happening. Ow. Oh. Never mind. I'll be right back. This door won't work. By the sound I just heard, he's not okay. What if he was just like right at the door, just standing right here, so I opened it? That would be so scary. Especially since I'm a really jumpy person. Stay still. Oh, stupid door. Just did a little recording check, making sure I'm still recording. Nothing seems to be happening to him. Checking the last needle onto him. man. Oh God. Nothing seems to be happening. Guess we can go get a random one. Sir? Sir? Good thing he's tied up. Okay, that happened. That happened, okay. Guys, I'm gonna do an experiment. I need the red. After that, I'm gonna need the purple. Now we're just gonna... This guy, we're not gonna put him on ropes. Jamio. Jamio. What if it was Felipe? Okay, buddy. Stay still. Thank you. Safe for bud. Try that again. Down just a little. Jamil don't do anything while I'm gone. Okay, no, look at that. Oh, let's get the purple one. Pretty sure the combination of the red one and the purple one is very deadly. Oh God. Buddy. Buddy. Don't die on me, buddy. Buddy. Get back up so I can needle you again. Ugh. Let me get the ropes. There, we got him to stand up. There we go. Now let's run. You really gotta watch this one from afar. I think when you leave, we're gonna get the healing virus. And then we're gonna come back. Buddy. Buddy. I'll save you.
I gotta go into work, so I'm not gonna go to the doctor with Mama either. So I'm gonna go by there and give him some gas money. And Papa says you can stay here if you want to, or you want to go home.
Stay here.
Okay, I'm gonna take this plate here. I love you.
Thank you for giving me food.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetie. I love you.
Love you too.
Love you very, very much. There's ravioli and macaroni and cheese and potatoes in here if you get hungry for lunch, but I don't have to go to work, okay?
Okay.
I won't be home till 7ish.
Okay.
Probably more like 8. I love you.
Love you
I'm
too.
off, I got work tomorrow too, but I'll be off Sunday and we'll go do something, okay?
Okay. So, I was just having a conversation with my nanny. She had to go somewhere for work, and yeah. But then I forgot I was recording. So, sorry. But, wait, what happened? But, we're just gonna...
I just walked out the door like this. I forgot to put on my shirt.
Okay. And stuff. And, allergies, man. Allergies suck. Hey, if you can hear me right now, comment down below hashtag allergies suck. Okay, we're just gonna... I gotta get out of here because I'm pretty sure that'll make them explode. Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes an arm. Sir. Sir? He doesn't have arms. That's a bad sign. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for being a viewer of my channel. Thank you for everything you're doing, and see you guys in the next one.